We are all aware that all vegetables and fruits are good for our health, but we specifically don't know, which one has which qualities and which you should be including if you're looking for something specific. So, with this idea to provide that information, we have started this series where we will talk about individual salad ingredients and let you know about the properties and the qualities and why they should be included. Today's salad is lettuce. Now, why should we be including that lettuce in our diet? Because lettuce is one of the best salad to be included in the diet. Reason being, it is rich in the fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, E, and K. Now, all these three vitamins are good for your eyes, for your skin, and for your hair. So, if you're looking for a good skin, good hair, and a good eyesight, lettuce should be your choice. Then it is also good in many of the minerals, micro minerals, which again contribute to your skin health, hair health, and overall health. In addition to that, vitamin B and vitamin C, which again contributes to your cellular health and your overall health. Now, one of the most important properties which lettuce has is that it is anti-inflammatory. Now, all the diseases, right from cancer to diabetes to heart disease, all the diseases, the first thing that happens in your body which initiates these diseases is inflammation. Lettuce is anti-inflammatory. If you are including lettuce in your diet, you are assuring yourself that you are taking care of a big part of the inflammation which is happening because of the day-to-day exposures of various forms. Secondly, which is very interesting for us ladies especially, is that it is very, very low in calories. Say about 100 grams of lettuce has only 15 calories. It is good water content, means it will keep you hydrated, and it is high in fiber and cellulose. So all these things together contribute to weight loss. So if you have included lettuce in your diet, it is going to make your diet filling, means because of the fiber you will eat less, and lettuce in itself is going to provide you with less calories. Plus, you are getting the fiber, which is a roughage, which is going to help you keep your colon clean, your microbiome of your intestine healthy. So, if you are looking for weight loss, do include lettuce because it is going to contribute significantly. It will keep you hydrated, which again is necessary for a good skin and hair and overall health. Then, one very important property which lettuce has, which not many foods have, is that it has lactobacillus. Now, what is lactobacillus? It is a constituent. It is found in lettuce and a few more foods, which has the ability to bring your anxiety and stress levels down. It is anti-stress constituent of lettuce. So, people with insomnia, who are hyperactive, who are anxious, they all benefit by including lettuce in their diet because this ingredient is not found in many vegetables and salads. It is found in very few. It is also found in opium. Now, but in opium it has side effects, it has addictive effects, but in lettuce it doesn't have those bad effects. So if you include lettuce in the dinner, you have a good quantity of it, about 100 grams or 200 grams, you are sure to relax and have a better sleep. Slowly you start having a better sleep, you start including it in your dinner. Okay, so this is a very important characteristic. Anybody who suffers from insomnia, who is anxious, who feels stressed out, start including lettuce in your diet. Now, this all of us are aware, now it is going away everywhere, that we should include alkaline foods in our diet. Alkaline foods bring down the acidity of the body. Again, acidic body is the hub of all diseases. Once your body is acidic, means you are inviting all the diseases. So this is an alkaline food, which means it is going to maintain the acid-base balance of your body, and your body will be resistant to quite a number of diseases. So if you want your body to remain alkaline, to be less acidic, means you're going to include lettuce in your diet. Now, people who are already a patient, suppose you are diabetic, you have heart disease, if you include lettuce in your diet, it is going to help you in your condition because lettuce has low glycemic index. Now, what is glycemic index? Glycemic index is the measure of a food that how slowly it is going to release the sugar in your blood, and therefore how slowly the insulin spikes happens in your blood. So all the diabetic patients, we definitely and surely include lettuce in the diet. Reason being, it is low glycemic, it has a glycemic index of only 15. Any food which has a glycemic index less than 50, we include in the diet of diabetics. So this is only 15. So this is one of the first choices for diabetic patients who are already having diabetes. They start including lettuce in their diet, they will get an improvement in their situation, in their condition. For healthy people, low glycemic index food is again good, because you are spiking your insulin less, and insulin spike again is the first cause of any diseases happening in the body. So lettuce is highly recommended for healthy people to stay away from diseases like diabetes, and already who are pre-diabetic or on the borderline or already having diabetes, do include lettuce in your diet. Because of its low glycemic index, it's going to help you in your condition, and you will feel better, your readings will come better, and your insulin spike will be lesser. It is good for your brain health also, because it is neuroprotective. It protects your neurons. So if you want your brain to function properly, your energy levels to remain at a good level, again lettuce is a choice. So all these properties lettuce has, which means that including lettuce in your diet is definitely and positively going to contribute to a good health. You will be having good skin, good hair. It will help you in your weight loss. For diabetic people, it is the first choice. Again, for the heart disease patients also, this is recommended, not only to the patients. Healthy people, if they include, they are going to ward off that cardiac thing, because it also helps in fighting the plaque. The very important thing about lettuce is that it should be grown very nicely. So mostly prefer the organic ones or the hydroponic ones, because they have a tendency to get infected very easily. As a matter of fact, it's a part of Dirty Dozens food. There's a food group which is known as Dirty Dozens, and this food group is usually recommended that you should have it organic. So you should have lettuce coming from a good source, grown in clean environment. So if you are including lettuce in your diet, make sure that it is organic or hydroponic. Otherwise, you might just end up getting some infection. Now, how are you going to consume this lettuce? Mostly, 90% of the times, it's better to consume raw in salads and sandwiches, but you can also use it in stir fry. You can use it in stir fry vegetables. It is very good to include it every day in your diet in various forms, in salads, in sandwiches, stir fry. I sign off with the message that do include a lot of salads in your diet, especially in this lockdown, because we are not very active, we are not moving out. We do the workout once in a while, once in the day, but that is not enough. We have to keep our NEAT high. NEAT means the overall activity in the day, which is nowadays less. So do include salads in your diet, and specifically lettuce, because now you know the benefits. So see you all. Bye bye.